Well, there's a plant here in Ireland, and people often ask me, is it an invasive species or, a plant that has been basically brought in from abroad? And it's this one, the broad-leaved dock. And it grows absolutely everywhere, and it has gigantic leaves. And that's why people wonder, is it introduced? Or because it's so common, they wonder, is it invasive? But it's actually completely natural and native to Ireland. So now, just to give you an idea, look at this leaf here. It's between two compost bins. And you can see my hand here. Gives you an idea how big it is. So what I thought I'd do is just measure it roughly with a measuring tape. Here's the measuring tape. And here's the base of the leaf. And there you go, that's it. It's 54 centimeters or 21 inches. So it's nearly 2 feet long, which is pretty good going for a native Irish plant. And it's a really important food plant for lots of native insects. And some of them live underneath it. Not so many around today. But in a few weeks they'll be all over it, but there's loads and loads of leaves. Also, it cures nettle stings. If you get a leaf and squash it up, it will actually, if you wipe the leaf on, the sap takes away nettle stings, despite the fact that, like nettle stings, the juice is an acid. There's some other reasons why it works, but it works very effectively. So that's the broadleaf dock. One of my favourite plants. It looks like it belongs in a jungle, and in a way it kind of does.